Hello, in this video I want to show you how to attach and detach the battery handle from DJI RS 4 Pro. To do this, first you will need to find this switch right here. Make sure that it's on the unlocked option and then grab your handle. It should go in aligned with the slots like this. And just try to push it in and then make sure that it's properly locked right here. And to remove the handle, we'll need to again unlock it and try pulling it like this. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.